Hey guys, welcome back to Lumiere. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to You
just said it twice in a row.
Hey guys, welcome to Lumiere Log number 9. I am Tim Williams, this is Joshua Kirk. Today we are talking to you about harvest time tracking, staying efficient, our Instagram updates. But first, we have a hot new intro for you, just like last week, but a new one. It's even better. Here we go. One thing that we are really passionate about here is efficiency.
Sorry guys, I have to interrupt and apologise for the out of focus face of Tim Williams in this log.
So we've meticulously documented all our time that we have spent on different projects, internal and client related projects, so that we can actually see how our pricing is, if our pricing's on point, and if there's anything that we actually need to do any work on. So how are we actually tracking?
No pun intended, that was great.
What's harvest and how does it work?
So essentially harvest is a time tracker. You input your time for a particular task, and at the end of a month, end of a week, you get a huge detailed report. So you can keep a good tab on all your projects and see where you are in terms of the budget. So let's say you quote a job for $2,000 and you charge your time out, say at $80 an hour. And then when you spend 10 hours on that project and input it into harvest, it's going to say that you're $800 through the budget, you've got $1,200 left. And if you go over, it's going to give you a warning, send you a few emails and say, hey, you're over budget. So it's a great way to keep on track. For example, our website, if we look back, we've spent 40 hours developing our website and the content around that website. Another example is these logs themselves. So when Tim and I sit down, chat to the camera, all the time we spend in the edit, we're tracking our time in harvest. In total, we've spent 322.5 hours on Lumiere today. Super helpful. If you're struggling to keep track of your time, keep track of budgets over multiple jobs, then harvest could be for you.
So guys, we just want to give you a quick recap on what's happened this week in the life of Lumiere. We did a video for Applebee Ice Creams, which is a local Nelson premium ice cream provider. So check out their ice cream. Shout out to Brad Hansen for sending that job our way. As you can see guys, a lot of our work is coming in via referral, and that's credit to the awesome industry that we work in based on relationships and community. So thank you to those guys.
Well, thanks for tuning in to Lumiere Log 09. As always, we hope these are informative. If you do have questions, please pop us a line in the comments below, or go over to Instagram and check us out. We have 500 followers, which was one of our targets when we started 8 weeks ago. Stick around and join us for the next log, Lumiere Log 10, coming up next week. See you later.